Tupini amine tumwanchwa umurigarari kurwa twabeta asaseti buna egikaro kurigararia mangana ria gente kwanekwa ase ense ya Kenya nemonekero to kwa ense ya Kenya kurwa igagetembe nigo tuguchakira orogongo rwa gusi county ya Kisii nabo yo county ya Nyamira twenga to kurigararia aria nyareka bakwanekwa anene mono eikingima amatuko atano na abiri buna natika goteri tukuria lero nigo tole no yo minto Eric Abuga nabo igo Sam Yenda abo bare abamanyi amono amanganage siasa gusabariki bamanganage siasa na humaite umuriki muna bagota umuriki na bagokora kendi Johnson na bakomanya kendi Johnson kare na remirimo yabariki kurigereria na gusoma between the lines muna bagochi bateba na mangaga ndate kone kigwa litko lia lero na ase omo wasiri omo koro hwe bole ndibwe mumuske Fred Okengo Matiang'i na gatene chitaro chiae na bande bonse bana siasa mbaga ndate chitaro chia bashinsamo chiobo chorio bokembo kale ase county ya Nyamira na mono chigwodi sato ward ya Ekerenyo ward ya Nyamweya na boigo ward ya Nyansiongo na boigo ebimina no byobora ibwense chikura na bachira kuno emambyo korekana ngenje siasa bwatatense igoro yo koligyo mura ibwense ogataro nalimo bose balia bagoteba ngabandi bagoteba one time bande batatu tambonsi bigenda tekwanekwa na kubwa mono umwancho murigereri lituko liara rogose chinza chinkeiga in less than 24 hours nigo umuske Fred Matiang'i arorekana teritukolio kakogokera egetambukiro gikambira kanne tugutira gose kona chekina igoro ya okurusigwa asense ya Kenya kwa omurai oyo kabeire tutebe n'umurai oligetikoro gokyobo gavana bwe county ya Nairobi Miguna kurusigwa asense ya Kenya gochi asense ya Canada yuna yanda mangi naruto chikoligereri moncho murigereri sekekekera motwe lakini rende litanga nigato chake na Eric Abuga nyakabaga ko bakwane nyuma tutaragendera karibu abwa
gwerebe nande mokerito gendongero tutateba nga murikina wakora kendi Johnson ndenge turakora kidi akamyoga na misi gokora na beti nyanya ngoko baide nyese binde Johnson
nyanya ngoko bota kore kitu akorusiyo
so ina kandanya gokora
Sam
Bima san kwa niwa home send us as well some kwa sauto actually na whatever toko carbions maybe from the media side
haingio nyenye ayo bwate phobia height
phobia heights kana ngo kenga akaranisa one pichena lena italiaki
je tindiko takana kwa naro tindiko takana Kenya mbwange lakini tindiko takabantu bamunyega gara bamanyire baraza ko
mama nyambrera afadhali yake katu onto adunge nyambu gotura matobe gete
ole
anda bangi bakowa badi nyambu manyebeka soko bokendongera ko gete okoma okay ire poisonous that the sense that nyambu nyenere poisonous kero maybe ya kule or something
lakini ethiria mfugo jesomo pese kwenye umiraiga
na wego tanda uye nelinga kila tore bad memory dream geta badenga yentongia ntara sama nyambu ne tegento ke
kuyakigima amanga baire gakoene kigwa ase ense ya Kenya anene mono ase kubatika no bachorio bonne abogende tabo ko koroberigwa inse ye myaka ebere slightly a few days chiarusigwe so mwaka ya mwigobone atigere ninse ye myaka ebere yaro tigare twandase obachorio bonne bwa 2027 na siasa chareka ndechigwa kwa sana kole nataka chakere ngo abol balinga ngaito go chakira lakini wanto go chakire so machakara bono to chakire litkuligoro omo waziri omukoro muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i narenge chinsemo chianya maje ase omuyiga bwe kanisa oyu nandore ngo muchango mongi statement yenya tukabaga ko bwatu kasali yenya tukabaga gotabanga ekinangira bamuraba kwanya bako mumyoki iyure serikali lakini ndeste so kuira na maiga kataringa na serikali na serikali ya soereire igo miguno ngurwa na serikali yeso muske Fred Matiang'i arengeime akanyara kabaga gotabanga ekineki yadire bono ale mweupe kama pamba umo director na nyeko bwate kribe kese hogotukutero wale gwe kine atari gotukutero kuna choko kitima ningi kagara ngo twara tima gotukutero atima sengo bwe kane noko na choko gotukutero noko ba dismissed
nengera chaka kia ba set aside
bono kuno kuna choko kine kiana chetu mo director na nyeko bwate kribe ke muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i agokwanira igoro ya ekine kikenya takabage kuna chwa nabo konyara ko gotebekira sembeo
nagambi gwebina n'abantu aba atindi gopeji koto oda igoro koto bapiri na liatu kutetekine keria gatabanga no bolimo nche no muntu kobwate amajiko bunale na no muntu muitebere bono bali ko nyamoko nywera amarua atindi cha gobe se taloti nganye tomerane nende noonde na manyinga yo mugusia si
ya anchingwane chiga umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i kwande is briefly soko go leto muligeri to up to speed nelinga umwaka 2018 Dr. Miguna nalengazikie eke omkengoro ku NRM National Resistance Movement esara kande kwa meredia serikali US umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i alenge muwasiri boborende bwaime Dr. Miguna nabwatire maramange sana na irire bosi bwikagambiro ebina bigasou baka chi certificate chaji ko chi document cha na passport chika sarigwa chi bibande akabare grade tarimo Kenya akabadi ported go chense ya Canada kolende ebina mpya gante ko beku meya nga krabwatiro kina kya bekunga niga bwatire go se tam no rishinjira go se ni communicate bintu bune bigo cha detention without trial gocha agachi agasoera abantu batanu na babiri sabanta soera taseke gambero no muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i yorengo muwasiri bwe borendi bwime agasoera Gordon Karangwa orenge umu director immigration agasoera Joseph Poinet orengo mu inspector general police agasoera omanno DCI George Kinoti agasoera Saidi Kiprono yorengo omanene of flying squad agasoera omu OSPD weke ege taseni kyabanyanyembu ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport naboigo omu Attorney General kulinde ikineke karugya na chitu nigo kiabetenga ayonzi Miguna mwina koretu na mamocho iho bali wansi ba mukorete ebitambukire bigo siba bwatana mangana aya babwata mamocho batu kitina mamocho lakini bono ase kineke gakikamya kwenda guchinze gatabanga Miguna mwina bwanta kanu 7.2 million shillings muna damages arabu nyumba ya saretigu ayego 270 million winyorenga nyumba ya saretigu wetira seba atayanga ya beta pomde arafu na abantu abonzi basoerera abuna teka gukwana ebabwenrete kwa kana abawakiri na gwakande kinege gyanzu murakiagendreire twaro musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i gago sherekea gagotabanga ikinege yalira no muntu kubwatirijiko asa mangana ayo munyene tochake na habuga ekerengere kiamgereki gose impression yawe nere kurwa se kinege urubya jagate gorkwake bwatiri gocha gocha bakamuna kigetege kwera
okay okonganchira ngwane gesongo yake gasigenje
ya iburukani yake so
ko tamsire gayo timanya nyago describe a degree aseke gusi but you see now timanya Matiang'i yesterday garenge ose mundo mwaka sang mondenge kino wiro no something must have happened but because I'm sure the judgment is on Friday so he must have had a copy ya judgment but you see as the work mwananchi wale Kenya Roma nyamaje
ama Matiang'i urusiri kwa mamocho
Matiang'i urusi asama kwa sababu ati but yaso monto mate reach ko monto jite sturo so judgment in court but then they took coverage crunch petitions as petition toka kavire kisi gaiga outside even kisi konya range judgment judge ka so ngora page 60 page 1 to page 59 judgment inengia
kwago kwacha ngina ndo kwa batenye kanya nyembo
the last paragraph
wefa mangana wefa ja
adengowe oma konya judgment irenga same case nekia Matiang'i you know for the first time na kera wafanyikazi serikali bako colleague ndo they do to the serikali but this judgment yesterday Friday era more of like the individual civil servants are taking responsibility sama magosa ba konto say magosa ba bekeru to court you see the clearance somebody will pay 7 million for damage damages rende 7 million no there's another in the same judgment I think towards the last part of your judgment here but I think Miguna was handled unfair
but I think machika na abunde against the rule of law
freedom
deportation ya ingan law
yes
emba mo dinete basic things basic rights munamba bambolete bakendagira ndo mune bikwandiro
it's not the judgment ya bekiri 7 million 7.2 kama ndo 270,000 sio tukarwase nyoma around 7.2 million
yeah
Miguna being who he is nabara mu happy the kineke Then damages the chago querende.
Injury over.
See, it was meant the passport for that period. Not the passport. You could be saying, hello family ya Kenya na vega toro.
Chibasa yango cha
between this period tinakan. Damages ya kane maybe injury ngana vete violated ko enda senda gani all those assault ya karoto senda all those things. This figure could go higher. Sima usini kuna mbono respond but is likely to respond. Maybe they could be appealing this case. Maybe I could want to have like 15 million, 20 million, even 30 million from the judgment. But the way, if I was to be Matiang'i yesterday, I couldn't have spoke about this issue. Actually, one of the I'm trying to make judgment. Politically, one of the advocates in the country, senior advocates in the country, now share judgment.
Nelson Avi.
So now share judgment. What does it tell you? What a caption you get wrong? This guy has to pay some money.
Yeah.
See now, it's either they pay within a certain time frame. To me, they go to Yakan, accept the liability, so for me, Otanga accurate. Tabanda comment about this issue. You are told when you are a senior, when you are politically connected, you know, to go to get there. Kenya would point number each court because you never know what will happen next. If an appeal comes with this case, the fear could go higher. So I went at accurate. I responded. Kera mongole ngenya mache mali. Kama ngeki nengi alenga ko.
Niko right to go
ngeki nengi alenga ko tinga bono rusi. Na ndo muntu mungaja tenga haya. Wata beti ngana kinana abere tu. Judgment.
Na ndo pata again tutara ruse sore de gara samwa mente go yingane yu. Statement yo muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i eso machaka migata betenga ba muraba bale ngominyoki. In reality, tari serikali ya ngominyoki. E private citizen ya ngominyoki. Si kwa siti ngang convenience ya lenga za chinde tiga kementa ke ga kero le kanenga.
One month we are not discussing Matiang'i as a civil servant to maite initially up to 2022. We are not discussing Matiang'i a politician. Maybe mbona anze ko learn the art of language ya siasa nje kwenye weka. Kadanga mrai bango mnyoki so na tegerete crowd ngakia nenge mwenga anda bango. I remember the same surrounding no ndare nge Simbarati no renge the governor ya Kisii. Who normally uses that language. Mrai bako kantike.
Bango mnyoki.
See that's a language ya to make it for a long time in Ugusi. But look at the time ekinekia be to 2018, the people in the current government say regime ya bone na bango mnyoki.
Inivakitese security system ngima abeto offer montayo na no yo esabanta balega montayo na no yo motigalite asa serikali aba basa yaraire.
So ideally could be like whoever is claiming ngomnya kwa lengi na ngomnya kwa bali because abale government bona bamnya ka 2018 sana. So you cannot say nga ba komnya because the judgment ya chira stock even if ba komnya then how do you win the case? Because if political want to mess with you kwa the last minute maybe so some of the communications maybe waziri akora at the moment you should be ignoring them because the moment you kwana you give your opponent a chance a correspondent and you never know responsible ndago chikuru
na some asege ganteke karo kuligalise the 6 respondents ya vasoeraire gose aba ya vasoera tu atokurusyo mwanto nchenero tabekiringa akanere damages ereta erokoranga abekiroro ngano ko baro monne bweli chike se Kenya agebekiro kini anda ba 6 babekiringa bakane tate barafli already chia sokre 7.2 million igora rafli kiro montanata kere koru kichiaka 1.2 million which go compensate miguna abo bado ntora ligereri amangana yaba wakili yakora goika karobe kirenga to bear the costs abo ne rikio rato konye pia ningi the costs se minute nsa chindenga expense chance binayo wakana
yes
the respondent wakana bakachiro ya chioyo obasaerete
yes
tima dinge gente kera kwa gategere ire kolegana na muna eri kera sire gocha na kerengere kio karengana muna gwake bwatiringa kio danya ko comment.
Number 1 naibwa Eric Garota about Fred Matiang'i lacking a political actually today Kalonzo naye mwana resi yake cyabutande ubona kwa ne murundi ya erega ari umutapakazi so nabera bena wana mu politician sometimes maybe not I even know what I want to Lakini for Matiang'i, who is now learning the political rhythm, actually na yako bali kwa trend. Because actually mbona ndio kitu hiki kinagera kinga kwa tek kero. Because it was ya para kale sana. Kwa kana ne wale mo ni over the range. Chikula balwe chichons pichikoba. Tarafo na kuna ndio kwa post. Kwa hapa ni kwa roja no ane le ko picha na waje tena ko.
Ajena slippers.
Ajena slippers. In fact the passport issue.
Ikawa perforated.
Out of like what happened, I think you are in the swearing on see nero mkonyi kwa kuma swearing lakini ni handshake watu wa kuna akanyoka na kwa victim. That's why I victim. Maybe no more I can go there no more stay right now. So when I look at the whole case and we try to bring a conversation over the my thing at first I could have wished more try was it Miguna against the same individuals was it?
Yeah, it is ekinegere Miguna nere complainant then na complainant tokoroga hapo complainant a petitioner asore tabande 7 one bakuru responded it's Miguna versus Matiang'i, Miguna versus Jigodo Nikarange, Miguna versus Joseph Boineti, Miguna versus George Kinoti, Miguna versus Yawande Bonsi.
So my point was onyo basoereta as a government, then the government could be responsible.
No, a government one go to number 7, Attorney General na rogocha.
The Attorney General. Yeah. But the totabenga igaba chieta kabashtaki oyo masoyomo. That's why maybe they have to incur the cost. Ichianyara ko bachiko ragugabu. Lakini it is funny that when Matiang'i says that it is a political language. You see, in Kenya, chilugan chiro tomaite chiabo tambe chiage siasa. Be it Miguna Orenge, be it whoever who it was. But you see, now we are talking about Matiang'i who wants to unseat the government. You want to weekend opportunity yako nyore kunyaka magena wikai yake. You see, bana yakoro kananga yako paint korokananga yere serikali nere mumnyoki. And again, I remember almost Peter Kaluma nate betenga once you are in politics and you declare that no that kuwoli gentogete asinare file ya were ya mabe. I want to tell you that since Matiang'i achete ko base the center of a presidential candidate ya you can tell him in tombire bya nyarako bikubokirwa byarenge chinga kichiri bona bono you can talk about Rivayala mwigure gentekeyo some people talked about maybe enga career NTSA abantu mba mwe totanga na tunyanyasete same to abali mu and other people
baga digital migration
paka digital migration. I remember that those things chiko kwanu. So once kokwa abeiro murai na no taito korki interest FIL ya onero ya mabe korreki egachire onye Matiang'i atacha kubole burai bense we couldn't be giving some of the issues chiakorekanita about the Yala, the NTSA, bintu byakabya beto. Lakini since it is the nature of the Kenyan politics, you have to remind abantu egero monte yaro kanako ba incompetent. Ati ntu abwata Rivayala. When you are talking about maybe a case kia Miguna. So it's all about politics. And it's like Matiang'i mbona konya kolan igango mwana konya kuagura iga komanya what political. Is all about politics. You see, ero usako morigere bya he admitted inga igare administrator. You see, there's a difference between having an administrator and a politician.
Serikali initially bajete muna technocrats.
Yeah, technocrat. I remember. Na gacha mangana ICT, kagenda mangana education, I think interior and all those. So it means that he hasn't learned about the art of the politics, how they are done. And some people can admit sometimes ngote warenga huyu mtu ataweza kweli yomo raibense because tuma itomo raibense knows what is politics. So I want to say that maybe the propaganda
nere kwa ndiraga ndatu kwenda ngochesa buga ekora nanyorenga na wana nyori understanding keriska erenga ku understand kwa no kwa buga no kwa mwanaji no na reality nero tima tinga akara kwa machikobeka nganza chinde nika asoerete serikali na nje na machikonyebeka kuransa myanenga nika asoereta wana individually is there a possibility nga tata gosono musika Fred Matiang'i saba babo ine twatenga ki inche kirina akorete muna ministry
civil servant
ya interior tali ncho monyene bona ene ministry wakana goseze ngabano Joseph Boineti atali bona inspector general bona ntekere through Douglas Kanja gocha ngabona ne obisi ko twe ko gente.
Yeah, that's what I also wanted clarification.
You're going to sue individuals. Okay. If you remember, I got circle from Kenya. The person who was signing 3 billion was talking from Kenya was Matia.
Yeah.
They are ringing again. They keep time or anything else. The Attorney General is coming in was sorry because he's the one who defends the government. But the idea, if you look at this document as a judgment here, there's nowhere. Maybe Mr. Foreign Affairs is sorry. Because that's where the Minister for the Principal Secretary for Immigration Anjako fall into. And even the relations between Kenya and Canada. But that's why I and remember, he's the cabinet secretary. Or Senator Gazette to notice you go through the National Resistance Movement. So it was the passing and necessary carrier. Yes, there was no base you go through the group. There's nothing here getting into caused maybe interference here, peace in the country. There was nothing. So I did and the 6 of them. The Attorney General as a respondent because it's a process, it's a procedure. And a defender the government maybe in court. There's nothing else. So that's why I isolated from the payment. There's 7,270,000.
So that's why my point Ototo you see maybe it could have been the office you see ngakinere bona bono totebenga no mo waziri boburendi bwaime at the moment ebintombere bya korekanete. You see there's a point that you sue the office, maybe the office but you correspond no I remember there are some governors the first term governors baachire lakini they are answering the audit queries. Which governor? The former governors who were there. So that's why I wanted clarification. Was it the office of the Minister of Interior? Was it Matiang'i himself?
Maybe that is the reason your boy na migona being a lawyer, assistant lawyer, alenga think attack kwenda kwa ministry, karanga tika so because it's a judgment sheet because a ruling sheet tranyero ke a document yebate ruling nigeli kira marieta y'abantu bamekoli kumutunga nigale interior kwenda abirikire kwenda abugo. Is there a possibility in asabanta boss tari once barangana responsibility mbali bara tabenga mbali bara apigi ikentege kire collective rumuna kyare tunga collective ngabona bakane first to 60 respondents bakane miguna oyo mara so kya apiri ero monyene ngaki egente ngaki bona ngaki kira nyaka bakekoligere.
Once this is a judgment. A judgment means the court has listened to both sides. For the njia yangu mwina achia about the 6 respondents advocate ni yalenge mwina wega. So
na karo tokenda kuligereria yupado na bo tokenda ko kuligereria esebinte biga ikente kenkebenga nkebe politically motivated pado ko katorge kuruanza meyuga matingo ikabale ntachintu atabage siasa nga cleaning na bego cha korochinga kichya kisiasa gosomondo kwa kali kweno to ekartoko in relation to ekina kia rigathi gachagua na so ara towards the elections chiba sia chikairu 200 million lakini mnachikola chia arata kaira ni kuchwa sia so na boto koli reti na kisiasa ngasiata nerega.
I remember even
ngoja ndasole sam ya bugata boke kwende ko kwande kule ya
for me I can't link case Matiang'i to politics. Because whatever happened, happened to the watch here. I think the most powerful individual at that time, maybe after the president and the deputy president, I think in the office. So if we wanted that time, from 2018 to 2022, that's almost 3 years. But he had dragged all.
No, it was 4 years.
Actually 4 years. He had dragged out from back 2025. Not talking about the thing, why not they comment about this case yesterday? Maybe unless Muntanga under the Kenya law and that's when the judiciary appeal kineko or the judgment, which I'm sure and to look towards the end of this month. Young but because I can mention it, now let the aspect of siasa go change. Now this aspect of siasa, it's either a fortune to him or a disadvantage to him. It depends on how the response.
Next statement, I bugate Etonia siasa.
Never Etonia siasa. Never more that respond. Let me believe nga muntu namwe advice that you kwana. Maybe muntu namwe I think I can do kwana toranga reaction. But I'm sure going forward na take kwana. Because the response already you have been negative to him.
Some comment kwali.
Bono again tonare kurigereria bunkelinga when you look at these individuals, I had the same question that you're having. I think that is there at a point that now Boynet comes and say I was working under the government of the day, because much as Matiang'i could have signed, again to care como dictate go sign, could it be? It's because Nera or in the office at that moment. Or maybe Miguna ne lawyer karanga tiga and at an individual level. But all in all, what we are trying to say in Kiringa, everything is politically engineered. Matiang'i dia taba maybe at the center of this presidency or whatever, maybe kinege na wakiari wachako, lakini because now is a person of interest among the candidates who are purported to be in the ballot. You see one na kike correct attention. Anything he does, wherever he goes, it is all politics. And in our country, by the way, we are saying chief campaign maybe chawatres. In Kenya, it is funny whereby the following day, in fact, the next elections. So bon ne liya mabera chakiri ku kina kidogo ne li chitembera chiro chicharengo lakini bon chikunya ku kina chiro chake siasa. So Kenya iko tori na political mood every moment. Correct.
Na ngere I want to correct you. Ngere the perception nga Miguna sorete serikali. Miguna sorete serikali so the individual.
Okay.
There's what you call a judicial review in court. That you point out issues with the court review. You are declaring somebody an grantor from his own country. As I wait. What happens? You go to court, you seek a review of what? You see, this is something gazetted. That if finality are going to Miguna gazetted, so the only way for you to recant the same process is to seek a judicial review. They call it in short form SAT. You are granted. Once you court, the judge can decide the judicial review. The moment they accept the orders are final. Yes. So the only option one again or is the court of appeal.
Na to nyorenga kero kerenga kine kedigo kia bet kiana chine court of appeal. Igo meaning inga kia chagar na high court.
Actually it was under magistrate court kama kwenda high court. One of the only option was no kwenda court of appeal. Again court of appeal ya rusi ko no kwenda supreme court yonye bali bara nyorenga mba gwanchirana na negenteke. Na kwa negoro ya serikali ngana bara mzajidu mundu bora tamiri ya serikali na gwato mwalimu anoyo mo ngoro kupita maisiba agatebire nga na bana korona nyene ga strike ko bangwe school niga ko barangelia assembly batebinga you argue as a group but when it comes to suffering you serve as an individual na bamo kwa kelio gibna mo kwa karakini no yo mato gochira maybe na gege bana to gendrete ase chinsa mechi chenya mache ase katanya mache ditko oligoro nigo kungusano kwa ganye lego korrekana gose annamono korrekana nga nsajino mugavana be county ya Kisii omoske Simbarati tali ya Matiang'i tali ya Seruto tali ya Sale na ale Seruto gocha mangana nanya tukabaka korrekana litko ligoro na mu director ne kra kwenye kondigeli kirepu ase moske Simbarati yako kwanira igoro ya Matiang'i nabo ikwanira ya Maraga kirepu kere na mba ibirabo nabo kenyoro nyako kokembekera tumaye kwenye kwato kwanira
kando na Fred mwaka naro nero kumaraga lazima tuisara ansense totenga ki gosikwa tigo montoyo mukurugusi kwanza turakombye chie milioni yemo tumaye gusaba kurwa saba abantu bande mo wanja boy
tomo ligerali ase karotoko na nyuma tutaragenda guchiabu nabo tugukwarirani ase kire number 6 ase nara gutebete ngabantu mbali bakubisa batete kwisa bwaterire gotia matia mo director ne kiribu ekyo
abantu bye bitina gusintu anjete bitina sana kangana bitokuruga yani tokwareka twaruga bona abantu mbali batanya gukora kindi kintu gusiga lakini kibaigwete Matiang'i batakire babwaterere goti ya Matiang'i tigatodenga onde bwensi murayi onde bwensi utaje koje bulie kiro lazima ukore gas mpaka tutenga ki wakore gas Fred lero tabwatiri ete sengenjo Fred ne sengenja akore gas abantu bali bande waziri abantu mbali jokers ba ndo ukubeka gusi ogende kwenda ogende bogere matega iga ogende buruya ogende boikoyo ogende bokalenjin obol chikura no tolega ne bitina bite bisinini tugunjukanani omoelia tutugie ngana ebiek nandi goja waka chikura tonyo na ebiek
Pesa mugwegure muna muzike simbarati atabire ligachaka gotebanga nonye no mugaka maraga naro gotalinga matiangi bekoro ando gende gotebanga abantu mbaro batari gukora emirimo lakini bataite gusuguna na matiangi kebisa bamonga ine bamontabanga na rubika mwali ando gena rubika.
So what I can say ototo the nature of politics cha Kenya na bokolani ngane wave yet what governor is saying actually is true that a wave nere gochiacha yanyoranga umuntu nware ngese wave yi nere ekwerende ge kuba bogoria ngagitokoroga mawimbi ekwerende molindo go kuba bogoria onyanga nae kwa bogorera nigo bona you can tell there is a wave that came ngakia almost William Ruto yarenge ya hasla actually by branded take abanga yellow fever iko ya sweep the Mount Kenya Jubilee ngeire TV rogo binge the Rift Valley kwarere ine wave. Perhaps what Simba is trying to say in Kelinga Governor His Excellency in Kelinga one wave maybe according to us a community umugusi maybe now there's that wave ya chire maybe yomuske Fred Matiang'i you abantu abangi ba Compton bono gano abantu mbaregete maybe barache gochira batarenge sengenje torena Fred Dr. Fred bono tigato so ase wave yega ekina kiare ko temo castigate so but what to looking at the statement yomo governor again tonkera kwana match abantu bande baraga kwanire lakini at least is saying what is true. He talked about ndugo cha toko gache gusiga iga koikoso okay is correct origichikura nara banta bare bago support the government the broad based ba tabanga maybe tago cha gusiga iga acha kuligichikuroka boikali yobosani guchisco of which is very true. So the governor on my side understanding the governor what he means rero kale iga na ba kwaneke mambi kale iga timaitinga statement ya mega tichinsa mo chichanya mache igo yarenge out of nga Dr. Fred Matiang'i yarenge present. So the enkwanale kuru ekaba dictated because of the presence ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i kwa sababu when I looked at the other statements chiontara asabono iga na sinara tebetenga asabono iga no Ruto na tomonyoro nyene ngeta tokumwaka tikatomwaka ngeta lakini tonyora magendro. So he is trying to say that iga are part of the broad-based government simply because of development. Igonga meaning wajibusia isa konyorenge chance nero maybe yoko decamp maybe decamping na beko lakini for me I think politically is smart kwa sababu igakonya to confuse turikoranga nkayabera tatarabeka musimamo yebia atabenga bia nkayabwa nkayare lakini you see when you are from even the opposition there's that thing that they got dictating you have to work with the government of the day. It is not wrong by the way. And again, we live in a democratic country. If he decides to support the government and not to support, it is the democratic right. So we live in a democratic country, and then we have to exercise democracy. Lakini rende asabona iga toko nyara kumasoma buya nakiki nata banga iga ituma the statement ya igo ya chite singincho the presence ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i rara skoti mwenanki ara kwani
nande egaro tugenda tego nande pado na genda gorudanga no mo konye bo murai wekiama ya ODM ekyo kiana chete lichibu na tumike tamko kwatra na serikali nne kura uno murai wense omoske William Samoei Ruto na asikiama ya ODM ngota balenga dingana gosengwana ya baba ya Raila Odinga ile final bona nyole karabu gago teime abandi baje gotebanga ona later note abandi bamurukira ko nganyameni smaiting abuge giranya ko bone statement ye
kwene ya some statements that make count outside the car akinja na make bone ikandi class the car against one there is something I want to bank the myth I want to bank from some Kenya is never the democracy. You can get resources from the national government. You see, this is another government. We have one level of government called the national government, the county government. they are establishing the county in the national in the constitution. Now, the governor cannot purport to be seeking development from the national government 3 years as a video term. But for the 3 years, you have been, let me say, it, insulting the president or engaging the president on a different setup, or a different level. Then almost 1 year, 8 months, or 2 years, then now you have remembered development from the national government. Whereas the other county governments, including Homa Bay, they have enjoyed development for the last 3 years without the national government to claim that you want development from. So where is your stand? That's 1. 2, again, the more discuss key wave. I don't know what is the measure here wave ya Matiang'i Gusi. Timo tukonje mwaka chubo
wave.
Jumbe. Ukamesha wave Matiang'i abade Gusi. Because for me I believe the wave ya Matiang'i could be tested first.
Na HPI election.
If at all, he'll come on to campaign openly.
Ngoji torgoliga jabu se kwende wodi ya.
Story ye wave.
Era pending.
Nge mwakwa ni mwakwa nanga mo ntuma kwa kwa nyameno ibira. I don't know kina kebige songo. Double standards.
Double speak.
Yeah, sure. Double speak, yeah.
You know you are dealing with a man called President Ruto. Who could either listen to your double standard or start again. For those ones who have been working with him, for Kuwacha Agete, Deputy President Bagawan Gasa Ikeire, na bago tena haba bidii hata entertain double standards.
Ochore sayam.
So that kwenye kuumia ngakiria umite kwikala lenga Deputy President mumie nera. Nya makonya.
So vera muino.
Ntoka nya tonyo. So the only person for me I believe the only person here available maybe Raila Odinga. Andaliga mu available.
They
group.
Yeah, sure. Because at the point they needed it.
But from the speeches in Yamaji yesterday, we are yet to see politics in Gusi. Yes. Because if Governor Simba is saying that Tinya President Matiang'i,
Yeah.
already you're kingpin Gusi. So ngolta Matiang'i. Now from the setup here yesterday, second to Yamaji, the message went out that Simba hosted Matiang'i. From the Crips originally, Simba went the function after already Matiang'i venue. So we are hosting somebody, we should go in the function. Come welcome.
Protocol ya very preached.
But however, from that discussion, I claim the member the church leadership yesterday charge yesterday.
Almost
yesterday. That was people at a political meeting inside the church. Because we can't be running away from the facts in key. We need a forum where we discuss
politics.
You will see. That's why what I thought Kenya and structured system you will see politically.
Yes,
all that was said there. If you remember what Matiang'i was saying, he was telling
Igobanonga kwalire ira go omosibire inawe na agocha kumunyolinga ngwa
kwante kanisa ana kanisa asibie what membership ile igoro as the same way kato kwa membership ile igoro so you spoke that thing kanisa na sabantu abangi so omosibire na watebire injobu wate now you know what the difference now is siasa ya Gusii siasa ya Kenya is that aba Gusii they keep on changing to goal post there work one make mambi work one mambi no work one but I can tell you that for free the next few weeks you need to experience something different these guys went to State House 2 sets group nangani kagaenda na babo Soro babo Zai babo Jafet then the second group went
with the governor
they were given promises muto mugusiaka nyerete sana no nyamunaro chanukira bone in terms of politics no mugusiaka nyerete ngaki nyati market to atebetu if you go to Nyanjo they are for the housing here kwa mitaro no zineki na something must be happening you got the regions nyimba chia ronje tu baadaye as compared to Kisii
muna bwana ya nyumba masaba ya isire kwa
now the Kisii one ekwa no those are the things mancheze kuligera ngwa letengwa achietega atenga support ile mu inowe but again chinga kichiyali truth be told
Yeah, sure.
asomo gusinga kichiyali mu Gusii it's either you decide the way you solaga tebanga bono inje nongo kwiraga onya ambao chokwira inside them is upon them
Nibakite gente ke yo kwera ko kachara ko tatwara dapo speak na bo muntu muna bono mo jumbo kiaru ndede nyoro ndinyoro no muntu uri ngo musani ndata no mbona baratoke karo musani William Ruto imira kigima lakini amagosa yenga na ali ngata chorete katikati ya Gachagua na Ruto agatenna katikati muna ndindi nyoro bana gatayenga bono ai bono kuras coach mo no gwa chori nga tatai tiko tenando onsi ko ngino ane chikura target no kura impeachment target so ebindo mune bina bibio abuga
Again,
kwa
when double speak here, the 1 term and 2 term.
Yeah, the
But
chorus.
you realize there is a governor somewhere who is having first term yai.
umu governor Simbarati eso na togo chakra ago savu
First term.
Not like the 2 term.
Akaroko shauti Sarati kwa 1 term
So one minute simbo, so minute root. Can I run more shout this study musanga 1 term.
By the way, actually, yeah.
wako na nyamira hata ya 2 term for example ni ngombe
2 term, what do you mean? Anyway, it's true. Like briefly, if I can comment on what you said about Ndindi Nyoro, chikorangana no korra ne politically, Ndindi iga tanete offensive guru. Iga tanete offensive guru. Konta tabu atia sako goji. Maite much as asanale naroche governor bado governor Simbarati nabwata mangana mange sana gotabanga. Omwana ino nabekerema. Tori komotiga we komo bwaterere. You see double speak I achire to an extent like you don't really predict what it means kwa sababu no are state house ane no ara ngabone project and stiria bwatene ya Fred Matiang'i katora atira bono mongwano yokurukundindi you see ekereme genataka koreta kiribono mugabana goteba nabokera benganga shagure at the moment heno bara mobe nata kerukuru serikali lakini muntu no yoito in one way I want to believe Ndindi Nyoro tago chakoba just an MP Kiharu maybe nabara tuare some ambitions you never know the heights of his dreams nabara chaka koba among the people maybe bakotaka koba president in this country. So my thinking was maybe umuntu igarengere tingandake if I participate in this litukeri moninje ngenyore Korunyeri ese keremeki ge kurbono ge kurukwerende I'm just in quotes ase bono rigathe gashagwa kurwa agocha maybe na babantu bara mubolinga ndake na bakialengi buna kialengi lakini abono liba okarage kubwengoro ime liba ogakonya okabeka bone ngasi gatirimbo kabuya gochimali
badirenda sa munande gukonacha ndinga amatuka bwangoiga ngashaka boyo nzachinde musikego Ndindi Nyoro amajeti ko baga kwegerera nagendora gatabanga nande kamuchikoraga nande Ndindi Nyoro byaranga nande ogutume kwa Naruto.
Well, it is all politics. It's all politics.
That's a story for another day.
That's a story for another day. So what I was trying to imagine that time nkelinga nainde nakikiagera tandake Ndindi agatena se FNC goro kolengana no obwamate bwa gochase jamii ya Mount Kenya iyo monyene gashagwa kurwa. Already maybe if it could have backfired from the other side, maybe from the government side, na haro nyoranga inche, jitinche to participate. Actually, timbe among the people maybe, ba dramatic the remove of the former deputy president Yure Umuske Rigathi Gachagua.
Mwanjo murigelia karotoga ndata kurigelia yonsi egente mono ekirenga gito nigo kire ogo gutaba gwa siasa cia gusitore igego kebeka namba yesi 0726447367 nabogori ko jumbe yao gabo na gwatoka ya soma na etu sange karengelia gene yito twensi bali to kwano mungu ke gusi 0726447367 na boygo nabokanda se ensemelia Facebook Getembe TV olike ekirengelia kia ororo naboko so WhatsApp ne namba yeyo na boygo nabokanda se ensemelia YouTube no tole live ili ntwabwata togosanga karengerekie ekyo eyamasemo tukutikana na mangana yo Moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i omo nachebina omukuru Moske David Genani Maraga no alenge lituko lia ijuma ase eskuru yamo chinsema cha Kameri Park igamo chibo songo as graduation na hamutikoraga ebyara amangana environment ya gendrata na hamutikoraga ebyara chitaro cha Goje State House na kwanda mange sana igore serikali igakolinda mu director one bokombegere gribe kekese Moske David Genani Maraga agokwana netunyaga batoko yunganganya tukaba okwana bitukolia ejuma.
Money has been taken from government which is supposed to be directed to various ministries and departments to serve the purpose it is supposed to be served. Now there is no money to pay teachers. The university dons have given notice, I don't know when it is expiring, and they are downing their tools. What does that tell you? You have money to bribe, you have no money to pay university dons. And what is happening? The students are not in class. That is the kind of management we are in. And that's why we are saying, look, this government has lost it completely. And what needs to be done is when 2027 comes, Kenyans should drive them out of office and hand over the administration to people who can manage the affairs of the nation. As you very well know, campaigns have not started. What I'm doing at the moment is going around in counties, in various counties, in town hall meetings, stakeholders to know their views. You know, to come up with a manifesto, you must have knowledge of what the people want. So we are going around. Like next week, I will be in Mombasa, meeting various groups of.
Batabanga serikali ni bwata chipesa ekorunari yaki gochesa bananchi kolende tebwatiri yaki ekotebwatiri segwa kana abarakia bechi university of baro somogero barenge wiki yengima aye mambira bera chake wiki ya kabere baro mugiro ubwemeremo ase ogotabanga mbaraka no chipesa yabo kolengana no kwigwana gose no wa 2018 ya buchi maigabo kwaja tukokobeke une serikali ya etire nando nyaka wakatanga ngagante kurigie ibirengere gosanga chifo chikaunti chonse for ni kulisanga abakenya ibirengereri ebibira chikumosukuma aseganga yaje yobo boligie kroke buraibwense na yabera kongusane sabanta bange wo kwana karba kwana ngoro ya omugusi osobo chori bomugusi abange bari kwika kwenyura matiange mo yani maraga mono igaba kwenye kwengera nsemwe ya enzamo musike matiange lakini tukuri goro ntoroche omu governor kisi county musike simbara tika kotabanga na matiange na maraga na ernaro na ndo tubwa tukaranza tuensi tuligere tolenga itogo chikochi abuga sapa anta bonsi babiri
mate Kenya ya kwa discuss na samuga mondi show Kenya ne got issues here. For some who has been achieved chances will come to the camera hata wanga lecturers mbaraka nungikira banini. Let me believe in Maraga chite camera osale nke hotel gali. Asa chite kurende
graduation.
Let me believe in ngazine gali ya private.
Tali ile na serikali.
Tali na serikali. Kusema serikali, tumeso complaining gali ya serikali tibwa tufuel. Usirent traka no ofisi ya. Sasa kazi baya
Maraga. Ne bodyguard ya traka no traka.
Tumeso na kwate at complain but anyway. Anda kwate complain ni right ya ke na serve the country that justice na kwate right kwa serikali once ni gali ya serikali. But you see inene tukwa jiwa kuchinja chionzi kere after 5 years to what aspirants to what na candidates so candidates come after aspirants when they created moto candidates
aspirant abako created ba candidates one energy aspirant
one the moment will the kelanga security parliament ya Buniru will be having aspirants
one kibago one kitoko baruka
hopeful formative justice
but we are thinking agaso
hopeful so ideally Maraga should be coming out are the option. So katio montole kinyore me kamel pagalinga kwene mbaraka. What is the solution? Ya eneli obwa talk of whatever ki. Serikali ya sangere 20 billion last month bakaire in empowerment project. Not the story empowerment now still. Charting empowerment program share it must be njaro. Ya be still. Well, and when is baragira tutote ababanda all the status nabageni bae banyu icha bako nini ono this wali ngo boli dinga kolange delegates ko Nairobi kugusi coming down to 5,000 is making a name ngo apply for abantu uko apply mu ndaje wakora ke tuanjanza wako so go apply dinga oje wakora
go apply in advance
so it's a trick kena de samu ngoma ndo Kenya secret no nyemba ito tunga chibako chikora pachikora ense bonzo babu batanta ine tuye mo Kenya time naona batanta ine monti nyore de class solution ninga ki tsikante mo Kenya kuchinda bakora yi abata ba ndo ibe samu ndo ibe chikoko mo jigete nchina achire todo green this mess nga tata nga samu na ibete na kitokora tibango uli ototo nga ki na kitoka tuwa de samu mkazo kate yo tongo nando mwibi onde kupita kwa nanga nyoro gende na mundo atako solve issue
no yoro
ono bek nyoro gende kito kama konyo ono maragata kinatenga kim chira chira nge treasury chenge 60 billion chikaibuka tazwa tata ko chiri tali maka ntwana number where this is money go
but again muntu muna maraga ngolgere tureka tokole matiange for example bauna gana ka tokanda to ese ansemo ya facts muntu muna matiange ngoteba tolenga achagete na digital migration of course ingia gete kamera ruwa lakini kaba positive at the end of the day bonne getu bwate CCV GTV chire digital ne mtobinde aga chamangana education na transformative education korengana nye bari bagatima izo samu na kwaga ya mabali bwakarta mataba chiga mugachandika sana mugachandika lakini ndoje bono na bakonyete
tundu chandika
tundu chamangana interior na bibide gocha na omuske maraga karto kumurigereri Maraga sa an individual obete a church for around 8 years if I'm not wrong. Ese miaka 8 weta ni godekerea election ya Uhuru Nara and Foyd. Erega si anereri muna a chief justice a president ya eham ya moye government yere judiciary. Ikibona bwanta konerie aba Kenya. Nande muno muntu olengo tenete bigambero. Onyo bwibi bwarenga gobole Kenya terebona bwachaka.
What did he do?
Evidence ni heronga natemete gukora 1 2 3 go safeguard go seko tema gokonya go sirio bukurumio bona primary ye gachinga kiarenge at the apex of the judiciary.
Bono for me again to ndago tebio toto when you look at these two hopeful mwaro se baliba Robate kiagaso nabana bantu robate kiagaso again tanda kenda tebranga most of the Kisii community most of the Kisii community people the bago tema kwa Matiang'i uzito kidogo nesing enchanda ke kero tegera buna kwa boli and exactly that's what I could have said. When the name David Kenani Maraga gocha everybody will only think about nullification of 2017. He was in the judiciary, he was the president. Corruption what did he do to maybe look at corruption? Did we have any case of this big fish or some again to get the corruption kia to a court rule in favor of maybe you as a way of promoting a way of driving away corruption? Apart from nullifying, he went to history to have nullified the elections.
Naro kunyuriganga musikekana ni Maraga na swagata bosio bwa Supreme Court aga complaininga gari ya itiriko kumakuta na serikali nechera wensi chinde kochi yake alikucheza
another thing Maraga never nullified elections in 2017 president. It was the Supreme Court
whereby it was because actually Ruete ruling kwa sababu this is what we call a bench of these judges wagocha. Lakini when you talk about Fred Matiang'i, you told me that I was one of the people who did the exams during the time of Fred Matiang'i. In actually for me I'm positive kwa sababu in one way it tried to correct a transparency wasobu asio kupolia ase sector ye ya matem. Bono tuakwa ni ramangana ya matem when he was in education. Talk about kararenga ICT. You see there are many things ora isa konyora Matiang'i wetani maybe Maraga with the nullification and we have some clarification kora sababu ganga kento kelitariere it was the Supreme Court and actually the bench of judges bago answer but decided let me do this and I think there are some judges back and maybe there was fair and free elections check or because the Talibans and bago anjiran bono there's many ways you can talk about Matiang'i more than Maraga enamba yakabere for me I feel again to abantu bako machikwebera Maraga nkelinga ki at least Matiang'i nesogati agacha aka hold a rally that may be proving abantu aba baisa ko bangamba mwakera chikura you could telling abantu bali nabange balengi he has held a political rally that in Kisii and kind of you can say it was success kwa sababu ya bwata masses politics is numbers ya bwata masses ya bange enamba ya kabere egento andaka Maraga wochiro yo kabere in 2 occasions inche na attend the event almost Kemaragare it was in one way heckled Tuarenga Samatanga Nyagosira Catherine Amatu. That one tells you maybe andake he has that resistance from the people of the Kisii community. That's why maybe he comes the second. And I think it was somewhere also Tindi Shwara Machoge and the heckling. Yeah, so when people heckle you, it means that in one way they don't agree with you. That's why Maraga watch later. So but for governor Simbarati Gotevanga Ntobuata Matiang'i then Ntobuata Maraga he was just recognizing from the Kisii land Ntobuata however Tora Dwalenga ngole superior not but Ntobuata Kurusia of which no ene Marago monyene nere nabwate kura If it's all about that the Kisses maybe they want to be in the ballot and for unity of purpose and the political unity, nahere to kumuchayanga atakoreki tayo because he's under his democratic right. Nahere koba one of the candidates from
nande musikamara kana bwate senior people korwase nse ya Kenya ba kumwakire koko nabone karo kwa negoro ya kwendo mukoro omuske umurai bosomo president bwa ikiombekia ba wakiri NSK Nelson Avi no mo gatebanga Maria Maraga ngole gikera litukera na esa kanyokera nyoli baga kwa ya Maraga abuga gwatebanga gato kwa muske Maraga credit kitarikia
this country originally just ya Kenya iko change within 1 month mutenye tara ya change ndio nganga Gen Z alinga Kenya in the last from May June wote Gen Z arengo sana leadership ndio yabwatega ali bantu juice kai mukanda babosamba bakanda Twitter kwa meeting Twitter nini akaje friend wala basali nande yasiri babagasa ngane candidate want to take that opportunity ngane
candidate to Gen Z
nagacha tima yangene candidate yangana batanga candidate ya Kenya tekashawa nena candidate ya Kenya kama candidate ya Kenya because na Kenya bago vote so Gen Z bakatanga na yale trimara. But away from all this debate ototo, the main question is samugata banga aukusinga wati matiani na bande mbaro. Correct. At the end of the day, it won't be an individual from the Gusii community. It will be the numbers you Gusii. Ncho property organ nika sasa meseli abantu bande mo negotiate. So nambe chintiyo chiraga organ alia ase meseli urugali. And the same thing I told you about the 3 by-elections. They will determine what happens from next year January. Towards the end of December. So to determine what will happen from January next year. But away from that, the kind of politics quality from Nyamaji yesterday, for the last one, you can do some functions last week, but one, chia bantware broad-based government, au ba panya weta na constituency Gusii. Language ya alenge nga mutawanja tubwatira nimba komo governor tsiri tukaranza tukalegen tukolegen tekem tenyo mu governor ka Nairobi TMC mu staff
bagatikaraga
tukana matanga lenge kitu chache note last week on Friday
marani
kumo nazoa mwaka the former governor nga tawanja turai yende kala rivera sana I think kala rivera for the last 1 week and that's why you are seeing a change of art yechi abana sasa tuko Gusii ba change
bande ba kumusamaga bande
ba kana nini another day there's someone somewhere currently watching the Gusii community koget
itana kabisa
gora yende kanya mwa torenga kia unity goje connect actually even there could be some politicians within the system from Gusii region I wete bianga tobe coaching nyinga somoro wagendere mudoze somewhere I wete because how do you say that okay Simba is trying to have a good script. Mata chaitaka tebanga mate bintu bya pe no mabe sia ya Kisumu.
No ko yoko bwatana na serikali.
Ko bala irajira broad-based government. Nera katenje mo konyi bumurai ODM tada ko andante ira to konyi to genda to access area state house. But let me tell you, some of the projects you are seeing happening in some of those counties need partnership. They won't be that they are funded from national treasury.
Yeah.
They could be either from donor funded projects, grants, or those things. As moto aroba ongo was like isiko koregen to cake. Let's project. So the ras national government ya kalete. Look at those other counties. The government was using KDF across some projects because in Kakingo Iregot and Sanjio. So use this government department because it didn't really talk. No longer in a department is a serikali or. But it was one the Gusii community. The traditional key Gusii no Montreal industrials were calm, were peaceful, hard working,
very focused.
But don't forget Gusii no Montreal what the pride in sana. You governor kona yesterday ngoma to what vitina. Then you ask yourself, na Romo governor. To what TMC 71 Kisii. To what the women repair mesena the nero.
Na wajumbe kianda. So among these people almost 100. Assuming they are 100. I assume they are 100. Now want to maybe see Palestinian government officials. Yamin to what vitina. Is he among the people what vitina? So vitinambiro lakini ntoma tingo kwa order. Anga to order. Vitina vike.
Commander kwende yu na ara rigiriri Moskoyomo or part of the broad-based. Owa tebanga inche nto bwati bwa matebuya no mo governor bwe county ya Kisii lakini rende singi to nyorte ngana otora ase broad based bono go katobera amager tokora magendero batoko nyameno ebere onande igente kitwata maybe double speak kiamanya gochanga alimachi samo chiamara actually I was present omanya gotebanga please the former governor to ango mwelekeo kwa sababu maybe jise yech mokora gaiga achibaro chikende tase county. So I'm like, you are talking about someone who today you talk about koira ba MCA as a o nyumba yobora ya State House koenda koyama genderero na ande wachire ga gwatebrenga still omondo is the same person ebi tinabwate igabwate chisegi tari gukora mirimo. So bono who is telling what is right, because the state visit ichigo tabanga na magendo chigo chikoi amagenda na ari chigo chikoi onya nando yo wenta kwani kya magenda as the president of the county, still you feel like tari competent tari gukora because ngane maybe tinabwate ne chisegi. So how do we
some story ya magendo no if I was given a chance to discuss story ya magendo pains mwananchi omugusi wa kirito murayo omugusi chikura otakira mu MCA ocho mujumbe omu rep ocho mu governor ma senator omugusi is pained that what we are seeing from outside other counties being to correct bio correcana it's wonders. You see, why should a member of parliament go to State House? Look at what Nani, the member of parliament from Mumias East, Peter Sarasi. Chikem tizirenga agache agachire yamo ikinalitara era unyokol mentire yende uchikoera transitara ko igor tell me asimo constituency ni gusi bono iga yagati na activity ya eri if only came to see chaka fresh even no iri bari chache we had an issue ya not it's called even no
KMTC yeah
from the time Tongia Rwetolo igatwara issue that issue yaba solve up to now
up to this point.
There's a KMTC sitena kawaso gembo mali za KM egetuki
yeah very true egetuki
na macho I think the macho was that time of the cabinet secretary gache kaigo nothing's going on so do you want to tell me maganda that region other parts of the country because
you are
State House they see development that comes continuously. The county government
allocation
now the third year. They have their allocation. You don't need to go to State House for each other. There's nowhere in the law that say because you got the Yakayanga, county government.
You have to go to State House.
As a governor, Njalivo in the Simbarad, I call it APCD. You remember the time when cabinet secretary, governor Kamega Paranya. Paranya said, "Not getting a but from the resources to water, we need to go back to national government."
Yes.
If you have done with that level, they go on Chakir, Kuresna Kere, or on Tabukeri. People would understand. But you won't know. It's 2 years actually.
Na mo waziri Mosika Julius Migos Ogamba na yara no alenge chinsa mo nyamere litukolia lero ngwana ya jese katie ngwana be kana gabe kanga konyoro muraibu ense target to rais tora tegarara kyomo Sike Migos Ogamba kwana korwase county ya Nyamira litukolia lero
Munga bano mambi ngwana tola to State House. It is very difficult. Bawoliga abanda murega muwazi gora Kenya Raila Odinga nyako president Raila Odinga nyako president Mondo kyo manyaka netega Kenya kwa Raila Odinga. My friends and leaders here who are cheating our people, I want you to listen carefully. You must not take our people to the wrong direction. We will not accept it, and we will fight to the last man to ensure that our people remain in government. Kile nomogobori ga neserikali ya koleki bwana mliyongena bantu ga nisona ngako eroto nishikura hizo ga
ya Nyamaiya haso muchango bwe kanisa amulengese Mosika Julius Migos Ogamba alenge oyo mobo wabagani besiko so omonene wabagani besiko bali banya kuba bagirana watwanya kuba bagirana ali gose chief guest na Nyamaiya strategically nechi campaign chia chakiri chia na maye obo MCA manya nditwa nyara ko twachita tobeke chingwana chonse chabe kwaroro ngora ngaini one way or the other chi campaign chia chakiri side ya serikali go side ya broadband meta sego chiko jamna UDA go singa kiko chiko chiko no no dia mchere ya sego chiko cha no mochakano o siasa chia nyamire itwa tabanga ki chiko test wefu elimu mwanya go gwanira sam wefu ya bono ego sairaga
mind abugando toto kotaka reng chinkwana chigenda chabara ya bange including almost chemicals they are trying konia is either ngoniore the broad based yore two term ekora sigendret was either ngoniore the one term slogan yegendret the issue of Nyamaye Kerenyo and Nyansiongo, it will be a real test by the way. When you're talking about the wave abo no to kulinga the credibility ye wave yenga how far agenda through the winning these seats abo nego chakoba na iguru mo skeo gamba batabanganda ke koira oburaibu se tarigasi res kero kende gions by the way as long as namangana elective posts to bugata including pakobo MCA kende keo kere rais unless yobe komoki and over strategic to a point like you win this thing kera kwa naigo kwa na yosa konye tegera bu yani linga ki igata etoko be serikali like negende to koramba kendro igen tongera mwa kwanda and it could be unfair nyetingo ke kwana na nche the issue about amangana ya magendro you see every time from all media houses kere budget yako somo okonyoranga again thingo bakere discuss. I remember you analyze the budget kere yako somo actually the genesis of magendro ega kurukuru as a budget eyoko somo bunge eyoko somo assembly ya bunge and then the allocation from the to the counties eyoko senate yaba approved from the National Assembly because they are the approving authority in that again to kende nararire this for this polls chiko tebanga for the last years narorire opinion polls ego chiko tebanga ndake muskibuna Babu Wino either monyorare namba yem o namba ibere in terms of amagendero the same Salasia and there are some series of MPs who have performed lakini bakoroka na gotabangene serikali so it doesn't mean that for you to perform lazima otuare liisorigi kucheza serikali you can as well perform kwa sababu Babu Wino you can tell me no broad based yachire but still he has never been part of the broad based lakini kerama gandago opinion polls if it's something to go by you can telling her nara among the best performing including Salasia including Kalem Hamisi oyero uko claim ngatanya korona muraibense lakini there's something happening the same way abugate banga from Kisii it's a disappointment it is very true even the bikunya gonjo kanwa in the name of empowerment and bringing something na serikali tole amabera ya mwatebere ne ngombe kamura kinentu ateba in a morning breakfast ngi tari ngombe ne nchogwe ya serikali inki geko ga
white elephant
yeah the elephant why do we have timaiting umuraibu ensera iga kwenda bweri alio kama mabera alio nyakoba mpaka oma be using a jopa nyatereka alio mabe y'abantu banyora then gusi intubono igotore ensemeria abaraiba ito yani go ikabaruga iga bachiko kamengombe ywe bareta mabera ayi kwanyoranga ondo ikire no enaro orataire make ondo ikire gosenka yu tairo semaka by the time awake onyoranga mabera aya ruranire nande na mwego bokuma muriere tariko chaisana so we need to look at abarai bare gusi what is these other counties are done inkyo murai bwensara arwire gaiga aenda ko launch affordable housing in Homa Bay lakini affordable housing in Kisii yanya kwa baki tena kwa launched onye yarenge projecting and a project in all 47 counties why then do we have some counties chitara ikera na affordable housing timating ototo do you still remember the industrial areas what is happening with the industrial
parks?
I mean yeah industrial parks have we ever had endayons have been launched ngayari because if indeed you are talking that the government is working then let us see it in a practical agenda abwatenga nelinga totuari industrial parks but unfortunately we have not seen anything working why do we have Homa Bay launching a lot of things then we come here in Kisii we are all told about okobamo okobo gosengombe kiekare gukamo then ngombe amabera anga kiatari week
abuga expectation chiaba ntabange kurwa mono siasa ya Gusii ase obachori bakabuga wojo kale kase county ji ward sato Nyamira ward ya Nyamaiya ward ya Kerenyo ne ward ya Nyansiongo tuchakire ward ya Nyamaiya nigo yatigarite kero gyatigate bosa gwetrase ugosira ku mosike Elijah Osiemo yesirita somba sokono gwepara ajinsa machia maimayu toche ward ya Nyansiongo omosike kebaso akatubo ogachoroka ugatukutwara ne kambero gachika chikura chiroreru arafutoirane ward ya Ekerenyo ase musikitarius Nyabaro achoretu muna omonogeri bwe bunge ye county ya Nyamira already una rero ntogotoro botiganga kiama gia DP ngenya ko gachoro murwanilio twarora matukubake gaitri kiama kia UDA giachora omosikeke basoyu gaitorite tumasagorutia otigoingi gosenga kitora
kind of are in campaigns
nero yorengoro then to kwirana sechinse chie Kerenyo communication tracha buya rakire na baroba gante kwebanga expectation chichirega intori nande I think na ya moba kwa kabire chi by elections asaro ngora gosi to kwanire by election ya Bonchari by election ile to bwata jinza mujenya cheke chinga ki omusikenya egasire to mabwa chi by election ingia kantu bago expect mate bichatera rekana byanga obacholio bokembole gusi abantu barenga ngi babwante ko ligerera muntu
Matoto, there's a difference. Yo koro yo kanda by election ye ward, by election ye county,
constituency.
See, like in a ward, particularly I come from Nyansiongo, that's why it's called by day. Nyansiongo is a trick ward. Just to when you umba, you cannot say a factor when you manga neji will affect the candidates. Because Kiromondo in a way, Kiromondo got it Nyansiongo
kagora
kanyora wolmogete
scheme na gega
scheme. So you cannot sell the idea ye kwerende ye clan.
Yeah, sure.
But I remember a month ago, Estonia getting the people will determine the results situated the 3 by-elections could be Nyaribo from who's a governor in Nyamira. There is a Congo Mogeni, cuts across both West Mugrango and Borabu, where he resides in Borabu and where he comes from, so West Mugrango. There could be the gentleman called Waziri Matiang'i. At that time, that was 1 month ago. There could be Osaro from Borabu. There could be Nyamoko from North Mugrango. There's Nyabaro, the speaker. Then you go to West Mugrango. The governor now Nyamira cuts across the 3 constituencies. Then now West Mugrango no wate Steve Mugaka, no wate some few people from that area, but influenced Kureju. Remember, as we speak, Nyabaro comes from North Mugrango. Na another word ne hai. Bono igoro kandenga ngo swale support ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza sana.
Na arole kana okaribia sana tutamura.
There is Nyamoko. Nyamoko is a UDA member of parliament.
And the chairman was ya
chairman ya lands committee in parliament. But netara musmamu ko support the candidate ndos. So it all depends on kiaba na nchi hapa na siasa hapa. Ngwachi kwa bila wait yasi bali. But I can bet that ODM is not likely to have a candidate in either the 3 by elections. I am back.
Kebasono dia mwaling.
Kebasono dia mwaling. Wakamnya umnyapira mwino. Na mbanya wati candidate. Like now the case of Nyansiongo. The 3 candidates were pending mbale ahead ya van. That's Kebaso, there's Mogusu, there is Maranga. They have all taken a different route. Each party chingao. Go to Nyamaiya. To with candidate you demo so kwa nirendo. Same case to Nyikuende Kerenyo. Candidates you demo njo kwa. Now what if the broad-based government decides to support the candidates by UDA because already Nyansiongo got the candidate ya UDA. Nyamaiya ne yako ntwale candidate ya UDA. Same case na Kerenyo. Paro kan support candidates ya UDA. So if the candidates by UDA bachiwa soka already advance the even from Nyansiongo government is trying to influence.
Nyansiongo ne ngayo mo waziri mkoro Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
But you see now Nyansiongo, the tricky part of Nyansiongo is this. Actually, even the former governor comes from Nawate Home Nyansiongo. The immediate former CS for Education Macho Nawate Home Nyansiongo. Right? The who is who, some come from Nyansiongo.
Senator Nawate
Nawate Nyansiongo Tingreti Gari. Nawate some the deputy speaker Nyansiongo governor Amete Gari. Nyari actually Narana Gacha Sekete Gari. So the who is who comes from that place, but they don't vote in that place. That's the danger we did. You look at Macho votes in Nyari Masaba. Look at the governor who votes in Suchache, so, yes, but still there are people who can influence that election year candidate. But if they don't going to be careful. What someone discussing in a way for Matiang'i, not that careful. Avera asina.
Avera asina.
Musike matiangi gorori tukori gore clip ngere kia lenge asigetiga asaga tabanga mugo chamocho kurusia nganga mwacho kokora mangana yu atabwenda tinga nkabwa nege sona mugane tima tikia minute ile kisa ina less than a minute to sieke
nanjengo ta mangana nyansiongo nyamayana nyani usinto bwata nyali bonere na ari na UPA it's also another factor na era bona era tabrenga chi ward Jones pingo bekariki ngobekare egenda tokorokanga chi candidate koko genda nsema bune yekerenyo Tadius Nyabaro asare ngomo speaker in one way nata getekero ko kiri maybe a preferred candidate yae eire lakini I want to ask Ototo whether the speaker who is an ex-official person now when tokokora whatever the speaker of Nyamira is doing to my thing is it right speaker koba kokorokana ko tware siding mono na ko politics around. I don't know that maybe it's a sort of another day. Koko cha sema ya Nyansiongo seems to be so interesting kwa sababu Marieta mu mention ile gaiga na Marieta ara mange rochi ntobwato mu waziri mukuru no akuru mu sikakongo mugeni no akuru ntobwate a lot of people coming from the same Nyansiongo. And then Nyansiongo, I want to agree with Abuga. Aritari asoma ete in one way are cosmopolitan, but within the Kisii place. Abantu barali, abantu baruetas bako, lakini bakahora male mugari. So ntebwa tubo kenyomba ko linga bono bunataga ngabana batondo, abana bakwerende, abakambanani. It's kind of in a cosmopolitan way.
The rest an a minute crossing remarks ikatojo kole.
Bon to kole nigo, kwerende no murai no tomarai actually the former CS or nero tabirenga abantu bago chabakoreki that when you talk about that statement it has a political implication. It also means more watcha mucha ko maybe this by election that we are having. But all in all, in closing tiangira ni abantu mbona senga njoko era chinga kichabo ko torigereria seri tukulia lero ne senga njo chinga ki na inde siasa ke gende tamobera ka gende to kina abantu ngento ndasa abantu by the way kabaso kobera. You are within your democratic right. Lakini konya koreta chise gianda ke chiburaburu ngayo oyo tariko support candidate X no tariko support candidate X you see nere koreta obwetani na ndi areta disunity tato konya se esa kuchomo kusike ntonda sabengelinga abantu babe batwara bomo regardless where you are. Thank you.
Abuga closing remarks say ineda kaya moyo.
Even to all those who believe who thinking about influence as a community omokusi they stand for if the current state ya siasa kaendete kusika kaenda even those who think number what impact is kuchinjeze mugusiacha kaenda they will lose the election.
Pemano mwancho muligereri Maurice Orechi niga gotebanga matenge nabwate chinguru tiga maraga tiga gosindana nere baraba saka muna praya muna sagine na nyamweya babete na oyo akurukunga masoka kurwa chinsemo chia chechoni na Maurice Orechi era gotebanga akwachi korolgolian gatabana siasa bekara bwate chibesa na lito kujitwa banja na cheria rwa chinsemo chia Gulf era gotebanga no atobwate chia gotanga matianga na bwate chinguru kigima na ayo ndagoronga Brian Sagin sema gotebanga abanyali bali abumbu yamule njitando jiko sono basinde jirani y'abanyali bali muje muligiriya buna tokorera he karori tukoria rero gukunyura tungelinga etogotanga siasa ngochere nande yagenda kurende ase Kenya siasa tiri gocha nande yagenda siasa gocha yaberorro egekoro muraibwense omukuru ogatato omuske umumuntu aibwense okabero omuske Daniel Torichara muya tatanga siasa mbaya maisha mbaya mire tinga siasa kira lituko maambia mugasoma rwaba na era kugenda kubarora tumira ne chinsenye ase kionga chinsenye chiri ngoro kwarone Ototo Nyangiri. Karibu sechi kiongozi Nyaingiri kuna sehemu imenyelelio nigoto kubwatira nere Wilson Makoli na kiongozi chinsenya nigoto kuchaka limolioka kurwase county ya Nyamira asitoko nyamuna litiko lya lero nigo wasiri bwechisemi musike Juliet Migosio gamba ara Irombe yabara yabange ase omochango bwe kanisa chinsemi echo asbanya kabago kwanira annemono achingwana cyo kwegerera serikali kora ono murai wenso musike William Samuel Ruto na boigo kogendera komochia bali bakwamirira serikali yumulikito fatika December na magi
Omugusi nigo abeire gagosemigwa buna tabaisa kungainwa erio arwe ase serikali asekeria buna nero ebwate amagenderero onzi akira engencho kukwana yaiga no muwasiri wechisemi Julius Migosi ogamba oyo otebire buna ekerogo kyoborai bwense tari gentokere giacheche ekyo gekoganigwa na konyorekana rimorioka
Mungaino ngabono mambi ngoya na tola tozo State House. It is very difficult. Mbawoliga. Abanda amure gamu wazigora. Kenya. Raila Odinga nyako we president. Raila Odinga nyako we president. Mondo kyo manyaka netega Kenya kwa Raila Odinga. My friends and leaders here who are cheating our people. I want you to listen carefully. You must not take our people to the wrong direction. We will not accept it, and we will fight to the last man to ensure that our people remain in government. Kere no mongomori ga mesera kali ala koleki bono muyongena bantu ga kesona ngako erato nishikura hezo ga
Kukwana asogosangereria ebisabwa byokwagacha eparishi ya Nyansabakwa nigoboigo amagenderero yechipara aba kagokwanirwa amaono mobunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mogaka naboigo omowakirishi bwabangina ime ye county eyo omoske cherusha momanyi abo batebire negati yobuyaburia bagenderete konyora kurwa serikali eregeti
tulishikana mkono auliza rais atakubalia tuweke lami katika barabara ya kutoka Bondeni kwenda Magombo. Leo hii nataka tushikane mikono, ile barabara yetu inatoka Nyamaya kwenda Obwali pia tuwekewe lami. Ile barabara inatoka Miruka kwenda Masosa kwenda Getari pia tuwekewe pesa ya kuweka lami. Na mimi
namba ya kabere nigonta kitoko tayana nina kolengana muchumba kwana tuwakwani wine president ndota nataka make sure na import project kili tuwakwani na tiezi para tota alina mogari Nairobi elinde goterase mogwaziri eto musorista chelo nara barinya saete mere mogari goro we've opened the roads to Aliginjira to Konyora 175 billion shillings. Choko open Chiparacho's speech stall. Ikine gente kia ose ke wase serikali. Kono chistori mutaito wenye wakaila kando ga roche na nini.
Abaraya baiga baikirana nigo bairari bagari abo na kumwigerera omwesi kobi Bishop Joseph Mairura okemwa kwekeresia gya Katoliki buna nere buya ere korokiwa amaskani na boigo ebirengererio byaye binyare koba bigosikwa
the welcome Biamono Father and the Catholic Church in general. You have been at the forefront of bringing up decent citizens. Through the students, we are seeing you bringing up in a very well-cultured manner.
Since I'm a chimingo to this idea, I say, Omondo Koira Bishop, a take care, a yearning correct. That is Guarama. Not in one trade on the Banyan Sabak. A Karamonda Bishop in Akuna. That is Guakuna.
Aiga siasa cia tutam nigo chabachiko irari baga diaye
Arambe
Mtasema metini mara mbili. Huyu jamaa kama wakati alikuwa naibu wa rais na serikali ilikuwa na machineries yote hawakumweza. Mbona leo muwe na tumaini kwamba mtamshinda? Huyu jamaa game yake iko advanced na inaenda mbele. Sisi pia tunaingia kwa hiyo wagon na tunaunga serikali mkono.
Hingo ripota Gatembe koroiga Nyansaba kwa Nyamaiya West Mugirange gutoke kaunti ya Nyamira. Njefatigad Gisemba.
Na ikiombe kia abasae babanyikete muna gusi young professionals ni golitukuri ala baumirana na kumakira omoske muwaziri Julius Migosi Ogamba aikoko ase okomotogia emirimo aberega gukora boigo nigo banyako bakorwa ekuro gochia ase abasae abana mono babere bagutumekwa ase okoreta chibura buru muna gutume bulikito Daniel Ontiri
ase gikaro ekyo kyabaretamo abasa baiga egikundi kamanyikaine bonagusi young professionals nigo bakwanire kirenga kiabo kyogochamo batabwati tabauti chinde chonsi no nyine chage siasa baline kirenge kemogyoka gwekonya buna basae.
What we have agreed is that as young people we want to push an agenda that the young people should not be misused for political interests. We want the young people to be used well and to be empowered, and some of them to be employed. So as Igusi young professionals, we want to discourage that, because ourselves, we are not a political organization. We are purely professional.
Ukwana nabalikia mangano mugasorero asensemo ya Kiumbu Nyeri bari chache imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagikiria ebikore byabasae gutumeka bobe nonyena sokoleta achibura buru asemesangirikano nili bagelyo kwerwanirira konyora nonyena mabaga yechigasi.
Youths who have employment opportunity and want some promotion, youths who are unemployed and want survival, they are part of us. Because you find a lot of youths are dying of hunger. We need to assist our youths. As young professionals, we have come in now to ensure that all young people at all levels, without any negative subjection, are addressed and they are helped to achieve their ambitions.
Asinse mwende nigo balira gocha koyene kibuna bakolire miremo na barayi barabisi ase chinga kichi no kuwaterana egati ye barayi bagusi
otogo sabuna ebyongozi biribyeto bitotangaine binyara gutobwata okoboko bito ikange togwakine serikali ya robono inde tonyare konye nyare gotokonya na antonyare konye bwate zineintwe aso korenka asa magendero.
We back you up. As young leaders, you have to support the government of the day. When you support the government of the day, kimaendeleo, maybe tutagete skills, get to support the government. You can't get anything if you can't support the government of the day.
Nkurubaterigeta seni kiagatembe litrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri.
Na kiama kia Democratic Party ni goli tukulia Kenya kwa kamuchara John Oeri gochia koirurukia ebandere ya kiama kio sabo chalia boke we wodi ya Nyansiongo fa kwa na chinga gecho ni gwanya kwa bagata abuna nigo John Oeri arachikoba gakoba yanekalia amagendro aisikaba ngachaldro na omwamsie ase wodi yo munagotuma wikito Vaticad Gisemba.
Chingaki ritikorie chikura asobochori oboke ase wodi ya Nyansiongo imeye bunge ya Burabu kaunti ya Nyamira ogendrete kobera ange nigo ekiama kia DP ose Democratic Party bamochorire John Obai Oeri eryo gochia korwanirira ekerogo ekyo
rero iga gotwachira ase ogwa fail our candidate as Nyansiongo ward candidate yetu akoba John Obai Oeri
kala tuwa mpimete kuna executive the county na watu waro jeno mwana umuya na baku era mwegenwa ende na waji kolate bintu kurua account ale Nyansiongo agu
candidate tualetire mwana makemo kuruko Oeri mwana ru skuru mwana ru bright ora kwana sabantu original rita
obwatekana no kwegwa kwaye eticket yekiama eke nigo John Oeri arire eirabuna aize kwegwa ribaga buna omo MCM nigo arachi kubwatirana ne serikali ye county eryo kwene kia chipara chichiro na boigo okubagwa wechipasari boigo ngoikirana bire ase wodi eyo ya Nyansiongo pune njere yemo yokoreta oburabu
asoboke bwane gocha asore niche ko babwatesi monge kerogeke torete progress mwise koligera libya Nyansiongo nto chandegete nto bwate mo chando monge sana ababura kamba chandegete oyo gakonyo bwate kerogo onyorire tari konyara gokonya abana inchi bonsi pi bali baganiri yatokange baganiri gokonyo bali babeterereti lakini gobere gako bombi chipare chetu chons pia chisaligete kera sasa togotara nturi konyara gokora biasara echiro ntoroseri Nyansiongo market lakini koria chagetu yairire miaka nge saba teraera bono tokoboria omo contractor gas kiago koronye ta konyara gokore gas ya abantu baito bachaka konera ebintu byabo gwetere chire igaita Nyansiongo
gukwana boigo asomogobani oyomo ime ye wodi yeiga ya Nyansiongo nigo boigo bamuganirie oyo kabeiro mowaziri omukoro gwoborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i yatanane na siasa chobochorio boke puna nigo erieta ryaye rirasareke
nagumusaba keep off abe nani patsan aba muraba batinene Nyansiongo tuganyirete sana egere beri chikura oyo abantu bagochora bananchi nera barachora omurayo igo nare ko gusaba ndugu yangu umuntu sikete naende aino musani bwa abantu baito naende turigeti kwa the 60 president okay both
obo nabo bosemia anene gocha saba sae bosio bochori oboiga
ngo represent chigenzi genzi viva twanyorira bara ikurumaga mwarore kasi bakorire teyo mwarore twarachora bara ikurumaga mbali gotoya magendero muna tutaite bono nchende ga gotebi chi youth chirega ari Nyansiongo ward tutwale chikura ndogochigochoro umuraito John Oeri Obai one ro muraito bwate Nyansiongo gaiga nane ngo bate kabisa nditukere twetokeza so bonge tuwake chikura
Hingo ripota regetembe koroiga Nyansiongo egegotoka imeye bunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Kisemba
na manjwa murigereria mwasiri omukoro bw'oburendi bwaime musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigaburia abasai kogendera kwerikia libanyaka bachiko jongora libaga ligwagachikura asobochorero ne bumwaka bw'echirwe na 2025 ebere okwana ime ye county ya Kajiado litkolera sanyara kubaga gusanga ase ekanisa yamo nigo musike Matiang'i anyara kuba agakoenekia wasaka koenekia abasai buna omambia no gosemeria gwensi ya Kenya nigo golesa magoko y'abasai chingaki baraye babwatire chikura.
We have been talking about occupying parliament, occupy this. I want to tell Kenya's young people, occupy leadership. Tuende tuingie kwa viti hizo, tuwe MCAs, wawe senators, wawe women reps, so that tuache kupangiwa na wengine. So the young people who are in this room, Angel Mbuthia and your youth groups from all parties, sasa tuache kuzungumuza na mdomo, tuzungumuze na kura zetu. Please make efforts, go from point to point. And Bishop, please, katika kanisa lako, you and your colleagues, your fellow bishops, let us now move to the next phase. The next phase is, let's stop now talking about what has happened. We have seen what has happened. We have internalized the challenges. We have the solutions on how we will sort this thing out. But we will not provide that solution without votes. Yale mambo mazuri ambayo yamefanyika Malawi yamefanywa na kura. Now let us have a repeat performance. Tuchukue kura, tujiandae, tuzungumze
na mwanchomo rigarire mwasiri bw'oburendi bwaime omwasike Onesimus Kipchumba murukomeni niganyare kuba gakorera aya anyare kuba gakoenekia chinkakia nyaka ba gutaldira chi county aho inse ya umorobulio chikwala usarama sanya kuba gakotabana egatia makongwari abakenya bagwetera usemechana abakenya bagwetera no gusaro kumano omunyaruka boigo ombo tumekiwa muliogo yogo tindira boigo chisegi chege nka gute gender based violence ese anyara kuba gakotabana serikali nechikwemukie bitambukira kwani kune michande yongo nyalira kuba gikokoro.
There are various threats that we face as a nation, and I speak now as a cabinet secretary with the responsibility of looking at our internal security. I have gone through the country now through Jukwaa la Usalama, visited many of the, and we went with you to a good number of counties. And the conversations, some are similar, some are unique to some counties and so forth. There are certain threats that are affecting our country. Number one, presiding bishop, is we have to really address this issue of drugs and alcohol abuse. It's a big threat to our nation. We have to reach out. We have to have rehabilitation centers. We have to deal with this issue. And it cannot be done by government alone. This is where the church can partner with us to deal with the issues of drugs and alcohol abuse. Number two is the question of sexual and gender-based violence. In some counties, they report 18 to 30 children defiled per month. I was in Western and Nyanza region, extremely prevalent in places like Bungoma, Kakamega, Busia, Siaya, Migori, Homa Bay. All those places, we are recording between 18 and 30 children every month being defiled. And it is because of the repugnant behaviors.
Like watambe ase wisara yobo chenu musubasi Mary Muthoni nikanya kubaga kwanira igoro yomeroberesha sanya kwa kwaneke muna insachinde ba Kenya tibara manyabuja gose tibara nyara kwa abakumanyekerenga gyokwelikia no moroberesha boigo nikanya kubaga kubolia ba Kenya bali babwate gosebelikirie inse yasha karwanya koligia obo ruali gosobo bwenya bachakira chinyagitari chianse bo chigoro linde banya kwa bago tumanya gitari kolengana no kugania kwabo bene.
I have noted with a lot of concern that very many people still do not understand why they need to register to the Social Health Authority. And we have sat here, we've talked about referral system. Do not wake up in the morning and walk into a referral hospital, because that is where the problem may start. Please visit your nearest dispensary, nearest health facility, or nearest level 4 facility to just ensure that you get referred to the next level of secondary treatment. It is important to get the referral. When we train our healthcare workforce, we train them, some of them we train them for specialist care. We may not take a specialized doctor in the lowest level of the facilities where tunangoja watu wa homa, mwenye akona homa, mwenye amejikata tu kidole kidogo na upanga. That is for first aid care. And that is why we need you to visit that level of facility. Then you are referred if there is any complication to the next level for specialized care. And we are very keen about this. Healthcare must be accessible, must be available, must be affordable, and must be of quality to every Kenyan. And this is not an ask. It is a mandatory requirement according to the Constitution of Kenya. So what His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, is doing is just to implement the Constitution of Kenya and ensure that every Kenyan accesses.
Mwanju muligari wikira bunto ukora mangana mayeke unga chinsenya litukaligalia lero alia juma bili na ngoko kandiyo nyaka bagotwara obo ligari lyo bujami Agatembe TV asemero buli kobwatia nabo igotwara botko byanjiri ngoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri oyitobwatera ngoro nteme menyelio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi nabwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone